What you just seen here is just a basic stop motion animation anyone can do with a smartphone. It is done by installing an application called stop motion animation application available in Play Store. It's very easy to do. For better experience, see till the end of the video. And we have given a link in the description below about how to make clay. If you don't know, please go and watch that video. Here is how it is done. Just click on the stop motion application and click new movie. Then click on the camera icon and take photos of your still creations. And you can see the preview of your animation by clicking the play button. It's very easy. Here is some extra animation for you. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you can get our videos without searching. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.